Hey everyone, hope you are really well. I'm Kelly Conway and welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to show you how you can use Google Meet and Google Video in your lessons. So let me just share my screen quickly. So this is Google Slides, and I created this lesson using ChatGPT Go. So I just gave it prompts like create Animal Farm lesson for level 0 beginner students from 3 to 5 years old, created in landscape, nature background, make it fun, engaging, speaking, etc. Then for each page, I gave it a prompt like add 4 farm animals, add hello, my name is, and give the first animal cow. Then it's for your student to write and see the picture, etc. Then color in a cow, then count how many cows, and then the next animal is pig, and so forth. Match big and small pig, then sheep, color in the sheep, fill in the missing words. Like all of these tasks are needed for beginners. And yes, it's about 21 pages, but sometimes I make 60 pages because you need that many pages sometimes for 25 minutes. And sometimes if the student does engage more and they're able to answer simple yes and no questions, etc., and you're showing them like props and toys, then 20 to 30 pages is usually enough. Okay, so if you've never used Google Slides before, the first option file on the left, you can create a new one. You can import slides. You can download it. You can share it. You can email it. And where it says share on the top right-hand side, you can add your student's email so that when you are in the lesson, they can see the pages. So if you want to add an additional page and make notes, especially for older students, then they'll see it in real time. They'll have the document open on their side, you'll have it open on your side, and you can also create pages for homework and mark homework, and they'll see the feedback in real time. Next up is to download. You can choose what format, convert to video, record a video. You can add a shortcut, move it to your Google Drive. Convert to video is new. So let's just click it. And then it'll open up in Google Video. So 21 out of 21 I've selected include AI voiceover, script, background music, and animation. We have that turned on. We're making sure that all the scripts are here, all the pages. Then let's click next and edit scripts and customize video. Welcome to our English lesson. Today we're learning about animals you can find in a farm. It's fine. So you can click here if you'd like to edit and edit it. We're just going to leave it as is. Sync text and animation, timing to the moment that it's mentioned, AI voiceovers. That's fine. Then we're just going to wait. Okay, now it's done and it's 1 minute, 44 seconds. So let's just press play and see what it sounds like.
Welcome to our English lesson. Today we are learning about animals you can find on a farm. Let's say hello to our new friends on the farm. Each animal has a name, and today we will learn how to say them in English. First, we have the cow. Follow the dotted lines on the screen to practice writing the word C-O-W. Now it's time to be creative. Use your favorite colors to fill in this picture of the cow. Look at all these cows on the farm. It's a busy day for everyone. Next, let's learn about the pig. Trace the dotted letters to spell P-I-G. Can you match the big pigs to the little pigs? Draw a line to connect them. Here is our next animal, the sheep. See how fluffy it is? Let's connect the dots to finish the picture of the sheep, and then you can color it in. Look at the word sheep. There is a letter missing. Can you fill in the blank to complete the word? 3 animals are here. Which one is the sheep? Circle the correct picture. Time for a challenge. Look at the farm scene and count how many of each animal you can find. We are almost done. Can you find and circle the pig among these farm animals? Let's practice our numbers. Trace the numbers 1, 2, and 3 as you count the animals next to them. Great job today. For our final activity, draw a line to match each animal to the correct word. Let's look at these farm animals. Can you show me something blue? Now, let's practice animal sounds. Look at the animals and match each one to the correct sound it makes. Read the sentence on your screen, a pink pig. Next, we have a white sheep. Read the sentence with me, a white sheep. Finally, read the sentence on the screen, a brown cow. You've done a wonderful job learning about farm animals today. Thanks for watching this video.
Okay, I think that's fine. It's actually very fast. So the good thing is that on the right-hand side is generate an AI video clip and voiceover, image, record, uploads, the stock photography, captions, text, templates, and shapes. So that's really useful. And I have used this feature a few times in creating my own videos on Google Video, but I haven't used it to create a video for me from my slides like this. So I think it's really cool for homework, especially if parents aren't around and your students need to do it themselves. Or for your own child's work, you can add the scripts, especially teaching them grammar rules, subjects like maths or a second language that can be confusing for them. It's really useful. And then they can always rewatch it until they understand. Okay, so let's click here, AI video, and see what are the options. Video, animate. Oh, okay, landscape, video model, voiceover, image, stock. So you'll obviously just put it in and choose this video, stock, image, music, stickers, sound effects, Google Images, etc. Captions, text, templates. Let's see. Oh, there's some really cool ones. Function, learning and development, education, students. That's great. And let's see. Students. Teacher. Oh, the Great Gatsby. That's really cool. Gloss overview, introduction to psychology. I can use some of these templates, and when you hover over it, it gives you details about it. It's very similar to Canva, the world's ecosystems. I've just done a lesson on this recently, so that's really cool. Tips for your exam. Design, colorful, professional, playful. Okay, that's cool. So let's see on the top, you can edit, view, insert, generate a voiceover, generate an image, generate an AI video clip. Okay. Video recording, you'll actually see a picture of yourself at the bottom and you'll be able to move it around. So that's cool as well. The scene, arrange, tools. And if you want to share it with someone, just click here. And then if you want to play it or present it, you can click here. Okay, I hope this video was really helpful. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.